guys, welcome back. Thanks so much for watching. So today I am coming to you with some really cool kitchen organization ideas. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so I love to have you part of the family. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's jump right in. I love using pan racks under my kitchen cabinets to separate my pans. It comes in handy and it's easy to see what pans you have and to grab a pan and put it back where it goes. I also use pan racks for my lids for my pans. And again, it's just handy to have, and you can easily find a lid and easily put it back. Pan racks are definitely an easy way to organize under your kitchen cabinet. Another great idea for when you want to maximize your space in your kitchen cabinet, especially for cups and mugs, is using shelf risers. Shelf risers come in great handy. It gives you 2 levels of storage and you can store so many cups in one little area. Let's talk about storage in your kitchen drawers. I found this storage container from IKEA and it's great for coffee K-cups and my tea storage and other miscellaneous items in this drawer. It's really nice, it's really deep, it's spacious, and I really love it, and it keeps my drawer organized. Another idea for storing tea is using canisters. This canister, I had it full at one point, but I still continue to use it for all of my tea packets. I have a variety of tea packets in here and it's nice, it's huge, it's big, but it's also very clean. You can keep it on your countertop or you can put it in the cabinet if you want, but because it's so clean, I keep it on top of my countertop. I also made a DIY chalk label made from my chalk contact paper. I've mentioned that in previous videos and they're super easy to make. If you have babies, another great way to organize your bottle storage is using containers. I personally chose to use clear containers so that I could see what's inside, what needs to be washed or restocked, how I'm doing on my bottles. I love the clear storage. I have everything organized by the type bottles as well as their accessories, and I have organizers for all of my nipple sizes, which is great because you don't want to get your nipple sizes mixed up, because as your baby grows, you want to switch out and go to a different size nipple. Having a great storage system for all of your bottles and accessories is a must-have for me, and this is one idea that may help you as well, using storage bins, just different type of storage bins to keep everything nice and organized. And I have to say, I am so glad that I did this. I can't live without it now. And my bins I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link below and you can find them all in my Amazon store as well. So another idea for drawers is using clear storage containers as well. I picked up this storage container from Target and I put all of my wax melts and all of my essential oils in this, and it just keeps this drawer nice and organized. I can see what I have and everything is laid out. A super easy way to store plates is just to stack them by dimensions if you don't have a lot of space. I like to use shelf risers for miscellaneous items in my plate cabinet as well. Now, turntables is a must for any home, whether it's in your kitchen or your pantry, or I mean, you can put these anywhere, but they're amazing in your kitchen. You can put them under your kitchen sink. You can get the different sizes. This is a small one that I use for my spices in my spice cabinet, but you can get them in a variety of sizes. You can get a large one under your kitchen sink and put cleaning supplies on it. You can do so many things with turntables. I highly recommend those. Another great kitchen organization idea is putting your trash under a cabinet. That way it's hidden. You don't have no smells in the kitchen. You don't have to worry about smelling trash. This was a DIY project and I actually have a video of how I installed it. If you want to see it, make sure to check the link below. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.